See loops. You may encounter situations when a block of code needs to be executed several number of times in the general of statement are executed sequentially. The first statement in a function is executed first, followed by the second, and so on. Programming language provide various control structures that allows for more complicated execution paths. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or a group of statements multiple times. Given below is the general form of loop statement in the most of the programming languages. Here is and the diagram of the loop, okay, where and how our program is running and condition. What about condition? Conditional code. If statement is true, then how many times it will be executed? All these things are decided by loop. C programming language provides the following types of loops to handle looping requirements. There are three types of loop. First one is a while loop, second is a for loop, and do while loop and nested loop. Repeated statement, a group of statements, while a given condition is true, it tests the condition before executing the loop body. For loop, execute a sequence of statements multiple times and abbreviates the code that manages the loop variable. Do while loop. It is more like a while statement, except that it tests the condition at the end of the loop body. Nested loops. You can use one or more loops inside any other while, for, or do while loop. Control statements. Loop control statement change execution from its normal sequence when execution leaves a scope. All automatic objects that were created in that scope are destroyed. C supports the following control statements: break statement, continue statement, and go to statement. Break statement terminates the loop or switch statement and transfer execution to the statement immediately following the loop or switch. Continue statement causes the loop to skip the remainder of its body and immediately retest its condition prior to retreating. Go to statement transfers control to the labeled statement. The infinite loop. A loop becomes an infinite loop if a condition never becomes a false. The for loop is traditionally used for this purpose since none of three expressions that from a for loop are required. You can make an endless loop by leaving the conditional expression empty. The following examples show the for loop or infinite loop. Include stdio.h in main curly brace for open close bracket semicolon curly bracket close. Here we will give a message by using printf statement. This loop will run forever